Okay. Now we have to make ears. So it's a kitty cat and we need to make ears. This is how it's supposed to look like. 2 ears. Okay. So to make ears, you are at this point. Okay. You do 4 double crochets. 2, 3, 4. Chain 1. Turn your work around. 3 half double crochets. Not in you skip the first chain. You put the hook in the second one. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. Turn your work around. 2 half double crochets. Again, skip the first stitch. 1, 2, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, skip 1 half double crochet, chain 1, cut the yarn, close. Make another ear. So we're gonna skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. Skip 6 stitches. Put the yarn in. Four half double crochets. 2, 3, 4, chain up, turn around, 3 half double crochets, and finish the ears. Okay, now we're gonna do a bow. We have our ears. Since it's a kitty cat, we have to have a bow on one ear. Okay, I'm gonna chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 2 to go up. Half double crochet in the third one. Put the hook in the third one and start 1. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have one more. 7. Chain 1 up, turn around. This is what we have. Cut, finish. Come on. Finish. Okay. Now we're gonna take a small piece of yarn. I'm gonna squeeze this, put the yarn around it, and tie the yarn in a knot. Okay. So I'm repeating for the headband, depending on the width of the headband, you will need to crochet the cover. For this headband, so it's relatively thin. I need only 10. The width of the cover will be 10. I chain 10, chain one up, and then do 10 double crochets. And we will use double crochets since it's gonna be faster. Okay, another double crochet and another. Okay, chain one up, turn your work around, and continue. Okay, I think we made this element to cover the headband, so we can now go ahead and put it on. Okay, so we put the headband inside, we bend it in half, and we start closing it. Put the hook in and go around stitch by stitch using slip stitch to close it. You can make it easier on yourself. Okay, you can close. So you see, I stitched them together. Now I can enter the headband in, put the headband in. Headband is in here. Very nice, right? Looks completely different. Now we have to stitch together the face with the base. Okay, so we're gonna take some yarn, tie it in, okay. You wanna start from the ear. Okay, you want to leave this part open so we can put the headband in. Right, we're gonna start from the ear, 2 stitches from this, like this, and we're gonna go stitch and stitch using slip single crochet. Okay, make sure that all your extra yarn or ends go inside. Okay, again, one by one you're gonna stitch it, to the face. Okay. Perfect. 1 and 1. And since your diameter of the base and diameter of the face are supposed to be the same, they should nicely fit in together. We will return back shortly when I finish. Okay. Stitch and stitch. Stitch and stitch. Stitch and stitch. Stitch and stitch. Okay, you see? Here, still open. Here, we are closing up. Let's do both of them like this. And I'll show you what's next. Now you have a face with a little hole in it on the top. You can go fancy. Go to AC Moore or Michael's or any other craft store you have in the area and buy something specific that needs to go in, or you can just put cotton balls inside. Well, this is what I am doing. You put cotton balls in, whatever it takes to make it full face. Distribute it nicely so it looks like that. See, this is how the complete one looks. Okay, let me finish the other face and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, the second one is done. Now decide where you want your bows to face, like this. We will take the headband. The stitch will go to the back, will face the back, so the bows will face the face area, and we will put it in, and like like this, and we will stitch with the needle. We will stitch the ends, and this is what I will do right now, and I will show you how it will look at the end. Find the biggest needle in the house you have with the biggest hole in it. So this is what we will be using. Put the yarn, the same yarn that your base is, and stitch together. The face or the head in this case. We have the head, right? And the headband. Go around. Oops. Go around until you come to the other end to finish it. Let me finish it and I'll show you. Okay, we're done. This is what it looks like from a side, from the front,